Hello everyone, it's your Woody Hill here with another edition of Concrete Staining that's wacky as I am. I want to show you guys all, first of all, these pants that I'm wearing. They have a interesting lines, don't you think? And it's like slightly in fashion yet out of fashion, and does some interesting things when I move around. These are my grandma's pants, and yes, I look great in them. I want to give you guys an up close and personal look at the taping and masking that is necessary on every job. Every job is going to need this if you're doing staining, because you're going to want to spray it. You're going to want to spray it. You just are. You're not going to want to mop it down. And if you do, you're going to want to spray it when you're done mopping, and you're going to have regretted yourself if you had not taped and masked. So I want to show you guys details of that, okay? So I want to point out a few things. First of all, I've got 2 rows, okay? I've got this bottom row, and then I put on another row of 2-inch blue tape. And see how I've got this top row folded over? That's because I'm about to place some plastic there, okay? And the reason why you want to have 2 rows is if you just put the 1 row down, I'm gonna look over here actually, I'm realizing. When you just put the 1 row down and then you try to fold it down, sometimes it wants to come away from the wall and your corners around your door jambs and things like that. So it's just better to go ahead and stick on 1 row that very well, every 2 inches, and make sure you get around all the corners and everything, and then go ahead and put an additional layer. And still going around, you know, be careful to go in to all the corners and edges and stuff with your 2nd row too. And then you just fold that down. Sometimes I have to tear some of the outside corners just to get it to fold, right? And you do that all the way around. So then you have interesting places like doors, sliding doors. And so, you know, you just kind of figure out a way to make it all about the same height and fold it over, get it ready. Wow. I did that pretty well, actually. I'm getting pretty good at this. But see, you know what? Now I'm trying too hard. So I just want to give you a quick video, and you guys can see how I'm putting the plastic down. So here's another great tip. Okay, you see this here? This is a box of 9-foot by 400-foot clear painter's plastic. And as you can see, it's not, wait, that's not the thickness. Where's our thickness? Oh, okay, it's right here. I got a lot of blue tape on this to keep it together, but our thickness is 0.31 mils, okay? 0.31 mils, which is kind of light, right? You don't want some super heavy plastic, honestly. You don't really need it, so you kind of see how this is, you know, 1/3 of a mil. So I'm going to put the camera down and show you what it looks like to apply the plastic. Okay. Wow. Loving these grandma jeans. Love you, Lois Jewel. Okay. Recently, I inherited these jeans because she just passed away. Bless her sweet soul. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is just place the plastic. I'm not going to worry about putting it up on the wall. It's just about getting it onto this folded over tape, okay? A little bit precarious. Okay, so now, you know, as you pull out of the box, you pull up about 4 feet, and then you cut it with a pair of scissors. There's no sort of like, this is not like aluminum foil plastic. There's no serrated. Okay, so So then you have to take a moment. I know it requires God's patience. Okay. All right, and it should be what? It should be 9 feet long, right? 9 feet. Okay, yeah, that's what the box said. So now you can see it's true. 9 feet long and 4 feet high, right, folks? All right. Now overlap this edge where the tape, like where your last piece was, overlap it just by a couple of inches, because you may not always get your dangles right. You know what I'm saying? Make sure to go all the way into the corner. Perfect. It kind of ended up where this door is. So that's going to be lovely. All right. So, okay. Hope you guys are enjoying this. And here in a moment, I'll show you all this plastic up here and taped with blue tape again. Don't use the yellow masking, all blue tape, which won't guarantee that it won't pull up paint, just to kind of be clear. But it just pulls it a little bit up here and there, and you have touch-ups. So everyone needs to know it. You will have touch-ups. And then I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to stain this floor a gray. It's already gray, yes. I'm going to stain it more gray with a little bit of purple. Okay? All right. Peace, guys.